My topic for today is the Ca2 plus and the colmodulin or CMK can change the cell behavior. So the key point for today is the cells decode the Ca2 plus pulse patterns through the colmodulin and CMK, allowing the different Ca2 plus frequencies to produce distinct changes in cell behavior. So, how the signaling works? So first, the Ca2 plus pulses rise in the cytosol, and the pulses may vary in frequency, amplitude, and duration vary. The second is the colmodulin binds the Ca2 plus. So the colmodulin can bind to 4 Ca2 plus ions and transforming them from the inactive to an active form. And then the third is the colmodulin and Ca2 plus binds activate the CAMKs, which is the CAMK2 and CAMK4, I think. Which then there is a phosphorylated proteins, there is change in synaptic strength, and then in the CMK2 actually have a molecular memory that can stay active even after the Ca2 plus down to the bottom. And when there is a high frequency of Ca2 plus pulses and it keeps repeatedly activating the activation, it becomes a strong activation. But when there is a low frequencies of Ca2 plus pulses, it becomes a weak activation because the different frequencies equal the different behavior. Then, why the signals actually important? Because as I said earlier, the high frequencies, the Ca2 plus high frequencies, Ca2 plus high frequencies makes the activations stronger than the low frequencies. It makes the activations weaker. So from this we know that the pulse is actually important because the different pulse pattern, it equals different cells behavior. So the first question, how can Ca2 plus pulses result in different cellular behaviors despite using the same signaling molecule? And the answer is because the cells decode pulse frequency and duration through the colmodulin and CMK activations, producing different signaling outputs. And the second question is, what feature of CMK2 allows it to respond preferentially to high frequency Ca2 plus pulses? The answer is CMK2's autophosphorylation allows it to remain active between pulses, enabling summation during high frequency Ca2 plus spikes. Is there any questions?